All right, Dr. Schlereth, I have found the perfect nonprofit for you. You mentioned bowl games are near and dear to your heart. So I found the right one, the Sugar Bowl, the All-State Sugar Bowl. All right, I say Sugar Bowl, you know what that means. That's a household name. Everybody knows what it is. Um, in this presentation, we're going to look at some 990 forms, 2014, 15, and 16. Those are the three latest years. Um, and we're looking at some salaries from the board members to give you an idea of what you might make. Um, and we're going to look into revenue and expenses. And we're going to see how the Sugar Bowl's done 14, 15, and 16. The mission. The Sugar Bowl's mission is to seek out, promote, finance, sponsor, schedule, conduct, and operate an annual calendar of local, state, national, and international amateur and collegiate sporting events in the greater New Orleans area in the state of Louisiana for the purpose of generating tourism. What are they talking about? It's simple. New Orleans, great place to go, sightseeing, things to do, people to see. We're going to bring in big name colleges, big name people. We're going to put on a spectacle. All right, not just a sporting event or a sporting game. This is a spectacle. People are watching at home, millions of Americans watching at home, 100,000 people at the Dome to watch the game. All right, we are bringing people into New Orleans, and we're gonna make money in the local community. And we're gonna put on a show for them. All right, moving forward, some quick facts. Established 1935, the first Sugar Bowl played in 1935, 86 years ago. All right, last year celebrated 85th Sugar Bowl. All right, in 2014, they joined the College Football Playoff. College Football Playoff created in 2014. Instead of just one national championship game right off the bat, 14 playoff. All right, and on January 1st, um, if there's rotating bowl games, could be the Peach Bowl, Alamo Bowl, Fiesta Bowl. There's a couple bowl games that are on rotation for the college football playoff. If it is the Sugar Bowl's year to be a semifinal game, it's played on January 1st. If it is not a college football playoff game year, it play on January 2nd. All right, but that January 1st, New Year's Day, belongs to college football, and it belongs to the college football playoff, and the Sugar Bowl hosts that. Every other year, every third year, whatever that contract may be, the Sugar Bowl. You sit down, you watch it. Millions of Americans watch it. All right. Additional facts. Major revenue for the Sugar Bowl with any bowl game. Tickets and sponsorships. Major expenses. The annual cost for the Sugar Bowl, as expected. Payments to participating teams and their conferences. Sugar Bowl is going to pay the conference. Conference is going to pay the teams. Amateur sporting events, over 50 programs, multiple sports, football, basketball, baseball, lacrosse, golf, volleyball, tennis, snowboarding, skiing, skateboarding, bicycling, running, swimming, diving, you name it. We support it. We program it. We endorse it. We fund it. We run it. We do it all. Also, big sponsor of the College Hall of Fame, College Football Hall of Fame. And every year we put on a free annual youth clinic. Over 400 participants. It's good for business. It looks good for us. All right, we're going to take a quick look at 2014 ticket sales, tickets and sponsorships. You can see ticket sales, 14 million. Sponsorships, just over 2.5. Our total revenue, including tickets, sponsorship, hotel commission, concessions, programs, other revenue, total 17.7 million. Ticket sales in 2014 made up almost 80% of our revenue. Sponsorships, just over 14%. Everything else, 6.5%. Assets. As you can see, our total revenue there is 18.9 million. Total expenses 14. Assets 64. Our net assets, our bottom line, the Sugar Bowl in 2014, that year, worth $70 million. It's a big chunk of change. Here's our 2014 board of director salaries. CEO, $760,000. It's not bad. Not bad for a hard day's work. All right, CEO making just over $500,000. Director of Communications, it's a cushy job, $170,000. Keep this in mind. 2014, only 3 board of directors. Only 3. Moving forward, 2015, ticket sales down from 14 million down to 12 million. Sponsorships down. All right. Other revenue down. Total revenue down. All right. Ticket sales made up more. All right. 82% in 2015. Sponsorship sales down to 13%. Everything else down from 6 down to 3.7%. All right. Why did that happen? I don't know. We'll figure it out. 2015 assets. All right. Our assets went down. Net assets and fund balances at the end of the year. We went from 70 million in 14 to 67.7 million in 2015. Assets went down a little bit, but here's something interesting. You're going to like this. Board salaries. You're looking to be on the board of directors. CEO, 4.2% increase. COO, 4.3% increase. Director of Communications, 6.7% increase in total compensation. And we added a 4th board member, Tim Shea, controller. 4 board members. 2014 we had 3, 2015 we have 4. Moving forward, 2016, ticket sales down to 10 million, almost 11 million. Sponsorships up a little bit from 1.9 to 2 million. Other revenue down. Total revenue down 13.6 million this year. Ticket sales make up 80%. Sponsorship sales back up to 14%. Other revenue down from year 1, but up from last year. So we're starting to see a trend back in the right direction at 5%. Total assets, we're up. We're up from 67 million to 68 million. That's good. Back on the trend. We're moving forward with our assets. Board salaries. Look at this. CEO, 5.4% increase. COO, a 7.5% increase. Okay, DOC, 5.8% increase. And a controller increase, 5.8%. All right, he's making 130, now he's at 160. Director of Communications started at 150, he's almost at 200. Our CEO is at 730, he's at almost 850, 840. All right. Board members are getting an increase in compensation yearly. Revenue down, expenses up, board salaries, doesn't matter. We're going to pay them. We're going to pay them. You want to be a board member here, you're going to get paid no matter what. All right, quick overview. Revenue went down 23%, expenses up 22.6%. All right, so you see almost an exact percentage match. Revenue down, expenses up. Salaries went up 18.8%. Still getting paid. You want to be on the board of directors, this is the bowl game to pick. All right. Why choose the Sugar Bowl? All right. Let me give you your quick 2-minute elevator pitch. You want to choose the Sugar Bowl for a few reasons. One, you're going to attach your name to history. All right. We're going into year 5 of the college football playoff. And 75 years from now, we're going to be talking about those first 5 years. And you want to be a part of that. Those first 5 to 10 years in the college football playoff. You don't know. In 10 years from now, the Sugar Bowl could be the only, the one of 2 semifinal games. It could be the Sugar Bowl every single year. Attach your name to the Sugar Bowl. 75 years from now, you're going to be talking about history. All right. Join a well-established bowl game. 85 years. 85 years the Sugar Bowl's been around. All right. Board of Directors has been around. Sugar Bowl's been around. Allstate, their sponsors, have been around. Attach your name to that. Get on the board of directors. All right. And you want to do something good. You want to make a difference. Well, you're going to be part of a nonprofit that helps endorse and promotes over 50 programs in the New Orleans area, in the state of Louisiana as a whole. You're going to be making a difference. All these sports for these youth athletes, both boys and girls, all ages, equipment, camps, clinics, support, anything you can do, you're going to be making a difference. The bottom line here, Mr. Schlereth, is you're going to be making some money. These guys are making, $200,000 to $900,000. You're going to make a difference. You're going to put on, one heck of an event, one heck of a spectacle, and you're going to make some pretty good money doing it. And that is why I think you should choose the Sugar Bowl.